Hello everyone, it's me Albert again with my Medicare series on Aprendiendo con Alberto. Remember, I'm an educator, I'm a teacher by trade. I'm here to teach you about your Medicare benefits. And today I'm going to go over enrollment periods. What does that mean? Well, how many of you are turning 65 in the next 6 months? Did you know that this is a very special moment for you? So let's get started. Enrollment periods. Okay, the very first one, you're getting Medicare. So I like to use these words, Medicare for the first time. Okay, what does that mean? Medicare for the first time. You're of age and you're getting the red, white, and blue card in the mail. Well, guess what? Happy birthday. First of all, you reached that golden milestone and now you've paid taxes all your life and now you're gonna reap the rewards. Now you're gonna get to have the insurance that you paid for all your life through your taxes. So, you're turning 65. This is called initial enrollment. You're gonna see these letters, IEP. All it means is initial enrollment period. That's all it means, your initial. Guess what? So if you're turning 65 in June, I'm in the month of June, 3 months before the month of June, which is month 6, and then months 7, 8, and 9, you get a total of 7 months to join Medicare. Okay, that's important. And the same thing goes if you want to join Part C of Medicare, you also get the same 7 months. So don't forget that. So if your birthday's in January, 3 months before January, 10, 11, 12, then the first month of the year, and then 2, 3, 4. So that's how this works. When you're getting Medicare for the first time, that's how Medicare works. Now, I want to remind you of something. What if you're getting it for the first time because of disability? It's the same rules. You also get 7 months. It's the same rules. So whether you're getting Medicare for the first time because of your age, happy birthday again, feliz cumpleaños, or if you're getting it because of disability, this happened to me and my father. He got Medicare for the first time because of disability. So he got his Medicare card in the mail. Simple. Now, let's just say there's this period called general, the general enrollment period. Let's just pretend you didn't take Medicare because you just didn't. You didn't want to sign up for Part B. You have between January and March to join Medicare every year. You only have 3 months, but this is important because why did you first didn't accept your Medicare card? Whatever the reason is, you have one chance a year to get in. So, and that's during January through March. Jan through March. You have that one time. So please, if you did not take your Medicare when you were first eligible, your initial, remember what that meant? If you didn't, you have another chance, which is your general enrollment during January through March. Now, there's this thing called annual enrollment period. I think most people might know this, but if you're new to Medicare, you probably don't. You get October 15th through December 7th to make a change on your insurance coverage. So this is when, just like at work, do you remember when you're working and the employer said, it's time to make changes. Do you want to add more dental? Do you want to do this? Do you want to do that? Well, Medicare does the same thing. The federal government gives you a chance during the annual enrollment period to make a change. Why would you make a change? What if your doctor doesn't want to take your plan anymore? What if the prescription costs just are way too crazy for you and you want to make a change, select an option that's just more affordable for you? So whatever the reason is, you got your initial enrollment period, you turned 65, and now October gets here, you can make a change. All right? So there's also one more period I want to mention, and it's not to be confused with the general. This is called the open enrollment. And this is also during January and March. So you're in the annual enrollment period, you select Charlie Company. That's the name of the company you pick, Charlie Company. But then January comes around and the doctor says, hey, I'm not taking Charlie Company anymore. What do? Well, the government is aware of these things, these changes that may happen. So they say, okay, Mr. Client, Mrs. Client, between January and March, you can make another change. This is called the open enrollment period. And you can make a change then. So remember, this is one important thing. Let's just say you sign up June 1st for a plan. When will it start? It's going to start July 1st. If you sign up during the annual enrollment period and the December 7th deadline goes by, anytime you enroll during here, it's going to start January 1st. Your agent or me should explain that to you. So if I hope you allow me to explain these things to you, call me 956-622-8740. I'll be glad to remind you when you can change, how to change, and when it becomes effective. So those are very important questions. So this open enrollment period, remember, you have another chance to join a Medicare Advantage plan. So this is your enrollment periods. There's one more I'm going to mention. Special. I hope I spelled that right. Special enrollment period. Now, what does this mean? If you're in California and you were hit with all the forest fires, remember we just went through that? You turned 65 and you couldn't make a choice and you were going through a lot. Well, guess what? You have a special election period. So what if you couldn't make a change? You already had a Medicare card and you couldn't make any changes. You already had Charlie Company and you wanted to make a change. And you were in Texas during these hurricanes and you couldn't make a change. Special elections exist to help you make those changes. Remember, you have to have a legitimate reason. It can't just be because you just want to change. It has to be because of a disaster, forest fire, some kind of special circumstance that you could not enroll. That's called special election period. So let's review. You turned 65, you got Medicare because of disability, your general election, you decided to wait, annual enrollment period, October through December, open January through March, and again, special circumstances. Something happened and I couldn't do it. So these are your enrollment periods. I hope this explanation helps you understand when you should enroll, when you can make changes, when these changes start, and most importantly, just how your insurance is there to help you have the best golden years possible. Again, my name is Albert Robledo. I am the owner of Healthcare Educators. My website is here on the screen and my phone number, 956-622-8740. I'm here to serve you. Please reach out if you need more help. My series, Aprendiendo con Alberto. Share it with family, share it with friends. I appreciate your time, everyone. Thank you and see you at the next video. Thank you, guys.